Hi guys, how is it going? It's Sabi here again with another new video. So in today's video, I will show you how to apply for tax return in Australia. There are two ways you can apply for tax return in Australia. Number one, online via MyGov account. So when you go onto MyGov account, just before showing you how to apply for tax return via MyGov account, I need to tell you that you cannot apply for tax return through ATO website. If you go onto your ATO website and log in with your account, you cannot apply for tax return through ATO website. You have to apply for tax return through MyGov website with your login. Otherwise, you can apply for tax return via paper form. If your tax return is a little bit complex and you need to do a lot of deductions, so you apply through paper form and you mail that paper form to ATO office. So that's how you apply. So right now I'm on to MyGov website with my login account. So right now I'm on my MyGov website, and here you need to click on Australian Taxation Office link, and then once you are onto Australian Taxation Office page, you need to click on tax, and then you click on lodgement, and then you click on income tax, and here you are 2024 and 25 individual prepare. So on the right side you see prepare, so it means you need to click on that to apply for your tax return. So when I click on prepare, it goes on to this page, and here you need to follow these steps. The first step, you need to provide your contact details. The second step, you need to provide financial institution details. The third step, personalize return, and the last step, prepare return. So I can't show you my personal information for security reason, but here you click next, and then you continue with this application, and whatever they ask for, you give them that information, and at the end you submit your application and you will get your refund in 10 days. But if your tax return is a little bit complicated and you need to get a lot of refund for different deduction you want to apply, so for that you need to fill out the paper form and mail that form to the taxation office, ATO. The paper form tax return takes about 50 days to get your refund, and the last date to apply for tax return is 25th of October 2025. And if you are doing a tax return through your tax agent, then you can apply for it just before the next financial year start. You have the opportunity to apply even 1 month before the next financial year start through your tax agent. But if you are applying yourself, then 25th of October 2025 is the last date. Alright, how to find tax return paper form on internet and download it, I will show you a easy step. So you just type paper form tax return 2025, alright, and just enter. Alright, here what you need to do is the first link you see is of Australian Taxation Office. You don't click on this, go on to the second link here, how to get the individual tax return 2025. So make sure, even though this link and this link is the same, but here it says, if you read properly, forms and instructions. So you click on that, and then here you go down a little bit, and then here you see tax return for individuals. So you click on that, and then you click on download, and you can save it onto your hard drive. So I'm saving it here, and then I'll just open directly from that folder. So here is the paper form for tax return, as you can see on your screen. Alright, so there are a lot of information you need to provide on this form. Alright, so this is a paper form. Once you fill out this form, you mail it to the ATO office. These are the addresses. For Melbourne, it's Australian Taxation Office, GPO Box 9845, Melbourne, Vic 3001. And the other is this one. Just write it down in your notebook. The address is here in front of your screen. Brisbane, this one, Perth, this one, and Darwin, this one. So you need to first write on your envelope for the address, sending location, Australian Taxation Office, GPO Box 9845 is always the same, but the postcode and state need to be changed, as you can see on your screen. Alright guys, this is it for today. I hope you found this video really helpful. Please make sure to like and subscribe and hit the notification bell for all the latest upcoming videos, and I will see you in my next video. Until then, goodbye.